Hello guys, welcome back. It's Thursday. Things go, days are passing very quick. Anyways, but what is passing quicker than the days is the inflation on US. Did you saw that? The release today? No, that was pretty good. The core CPI came in lower than expected as the CPI was normal as expected. So that was fantastic. I wasn't expecting to be this on this way of the release, okay? To be very honest with you, I wasn't expecting to be like that. I was expecting to be much stronger, but let's have a look in depth on those numbers before you like this video and you subscribe to the channel. Now, today we do have the webinar as well from 5 to 6 p.m. Some people have asked me if we will continue to have this year the Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday webinar. The answer is yes. Maybe in the next 6 months we will continue to have this one, and then afterwards we may have changed the time, but we will get to know as the time goes by. Now, for the first thing that I want to mention is the Telegram link is on the description of the video. You can join me through that. All right, so as soon as the webinar starts, I send the link for the webinar in the Telegram channel, so you can have a look in there. Okay, so for the core CPI, it came in at 0.2% from the expectation of 0.3%. It's not a big jump, not a massive jump, I would say, but still 0.1% lower than what was expected. And my thesis about the front running, if you've been into the webinar yesterday, I was having a thesis about the front running that could potentially make some sort of inflation into the market, because Trump tariffs, 25% tariffs, 60% tariffs, all of these murmurs around that was on December. What made me think is people will already buy things outside from the country and bring inside for the country, so then they don't need to pay 25% extra, at least on the first quarter or something like that. But in the end, it doesn't look like people were spending much as they were in the last 5 years, because we did have the Christmas, we did have evening New Year's Eve, and feels like that the population is sort of feeling the stickiness of the inflation, and they chose not to buy anything, not much as they did. Now, the next thing is the normal CPI came in as expected at 0.4%. So just showing that yes, they will continue to have inflation, but in a very sticky way, but it will slowly decrease. Okay, so maybe the next quarter, this whole quarter one, we may see a very sticky inflation and no cuts from the Fed. Maybe on the second quarter we may have a cut, a 25 basis points cut. And how will this impact the market? Then you join me tonight on the webinar that I will be making sure we go through over the FMC and the Fed and everything else, because there's a lot of things happening, I can tell you that. And the one thing you won't be looking to miss is Trump getting back into power next Monday. So stay tuned on the channel, because I will be posting some updates daily. So subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, because it's very important trading fundamentals on the Forex market. Guys, I see you tonight, well, in a few hours or in a few minutes, depending what time you're watching the video, and we go from there. See you guys, bye-bye.